Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Welcome, grade 4s, for today's English lesson. I hope you are doing fine wherever you are. I'm also very fine, as you can see. Now, today, we're going to learn about plurals. Now, plurals in your other class, your lower grades, they are the ones that you use to refer to as many. The ones that you use to refer to as many. Remember, you learned about one, many. One, many. Now here, we're no longer going to call them plurals, many, but we're going to call them plurals. Now, which words are put in plurals? Now, the words that we form plurals of are the nouns. And earlier on, we said, what are nouns? Yes? Very good. We said nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. The names of things are the ones that we refer to as nouns. Now, when we come to forming plurals, there are different ways of forming plurals of English words. Now, one of the ways of forming a plural is adding s. Adding s. Just adding letter s to a word. Now, which are examples of words that we just add letter s whenever we want to form the plural? Now, one example of such a word is the word boy. The word boy. Whenever we want to form the plural of the word boy, you only need to put an s after the whole word. You need just to put an s after the whole word, and the word becomes boys. So, boy, boys. Boy, boys. Another example of such a word will be teacher. Will be teacher. The plural of the word teacher would be teachers. Just adding an s in your word and it becomes a plural. Another example book is book. Now, let's look at the plural of the word book. The word book becomes books. Let's mention some examples of items that are found in our classes, and we only need to add an s to make them in plural. Yes, try. Yes, the word chat. Chatter, chats. Chatter, chats. Another word. Yes. Window, windows. Window, windows. Now, there is also another way of forming plurals. Is by adding es to certain words. You add es. Now, let me give you an example of a word that would add es to form its plural. The word box. The word box. So, to form the plural of the word box, we just add an es. And therefore, the word becomes boxes. The word becomes boxes. Boxer, boxes. Let me give you another example that will help you remember or know words that we add es. The word will be fox. The word will be fox. To form the plural of the word fox, we just add es. And so therefore, the word becomes foxes. So, foxer, foxes. Let us hear other examples of words that will form their plurals by adding es. Yes, try. Church. Yes, we have church. So the plural of the word church will be churches. The plural of the word church will be churches. Another example of a word that we would add es. Yes, try. Bus, buses. Bus, buses. So all these are examples of words that will add es to form their plurals. Now the third category of words that on how we form plurals of nouns are those words that we add ies. They're those words that we add ies to form their plurals. Now an example of such a word is whereby we have the word city. We have the word city. Now, for example, we know of a city in our country. Any city that you know of? Yes. We have Nairobi. Very good. Another one? Yes. We have Mombasa. Any other city that you know of? Kisumu. Now, there are three of them. Now, when there are three, we call them cities. Now, how do we form how do we write the word cities? So, we come to our word C-I-T. Now, in English, we say that before we add anything to a word that ends with a Y, you have to, very good, somebody has said it, you have to remove it. Yes, now we say we drop it and change it into I. Then we add es. So our word becomes cities. So the plural of the word city is cities. And we do all that to add ies to those words that end with a y. You replace with a y with an I, then you add es. Another word would be lorry. Another word would be lorry. So lorry, lorries. Lorry, lorries. Yes, somebody else try. Yes, let's hear you. Yes. Have the word baby. Good. Have the word baby. The plural of the word baby is babies. The plural of the word baby is babies. So therefore, these are examples of words that we put ies to form their plurals. Any other example that you may think of? Yes. Aha. Lady, ladies. Lady, ladies. Now finally, we have those words that we add. Adding or putting ves. Words that we put ves to form their plurals. Now, an example of such a word that we put ves to form their plurals. Yes, somebody's hand is already up. Yes, try. Aha, the word knife. Very good. Thank you for that. We have the word knife. Now, to form the plural of the word knife, what do? We write the word K, we write the letters K-N-I. Then when you get to F-E, we replace it with V-E-S. So, we have the word knives. We have the word knives. Another word will be thief. The word will be thief. So, how do you write the plural of the word thief? It will be thieves. We replace the V-E-S. You have the thieves. Sorry, I have an E somewhere. Have thieves. You have thieves like that. Now, another word will be loaf. Will be loaf. So we have loaves. We have loaves. So therefore, it is important to know how each noun changes to its plural form. And these are the many ways that our nouns are changing to plural. So therefore, in our books, make sure you work out the exercises that are there and they will give you more practice and you will be able to master how different words change. Thank you very much for listening. I hope we shall meet another time. Goodbye.